Bring it around town.
Kittiesmama.
Hi, my name is Emma.
I'm Jonah. And I'm Noah.
And today we're going to be doing a pumpkin carving challenge. So in this challenge, we are just going to be carving our pumpkins like how you normally do every year around this time. And you guys will be voting whose is the best. So, let's get started.
Without further ado, let's get right into the pumpkin carving.
I might make mine emoticon smiley face. Should I do that? My plan right now, I'm not sure what plan I have.
I'm actually going to make mine into a UFO.
I'm going to scoop it out first and then I'm going to come up with something. But I might like do something with this crack here. Maybe make a bigger crack and then make like blood sport out of it.
One time I was putting it down and then just slapped it into my hair.
Nope, not ready.
Bring it around town.
I've still got to get some of the pieces out.
Oh my goodness, I want to stab myself to death.
Ooh, there we go. Ooh, there we go. That's shaping up. That's shaping up to be something else.
Pencil!
Taking these knives and stabbing it into the pumpkin. So it looks like it's been stabbed a million times. So you may be wondering, hey Jonah, what are you doing off screen? What are you doing? Well, you may be asking that, but I'm about to answer. So, we have finished carving our pumpkins. Don't forget to go vote in the card of whose pumpkin you think is the best. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and bye YouTube. Peace out YouTube.
See you tomorrow YouTube.